Hey there, animal lovers. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for everything positively amazing about dogs, cats, and all things furry, feathered, and fun. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give that notification bell a friendly boop so you never miss a video that makes your pet's life happier, healthier, and more exciting. Got a funny story about your dog's antics? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from our fellow pet parents. Dogs aren't just adorable companions, they're smart, energetic, emotional beings. And when their brains or bodies aren't getting enough stimulation, you better believe they'll let you know, just maybe not in the way you'd prefer. From mischievous mayhem to lazy day sulking, boredom in dogs can lead to behavioral issues, stress, and even health problems. But here's the good news. Once you spot the signs, the fix is fun and simple. So let's dive into the 7 major signs your dog is bored, and exactly what you can do to turn that frown upside down, and maybe get a few tail wags in return. Sign number 1. Destructive behavior. Why is my couch now a chew toy? If your dog is ripping up pillows, chewing shoes, or turning your house into a war zone, it's not just bad behavior, it's boredom in disguise. Fix it. Try puzzle toys, treat dispensing games, or give them a chew bone challenge. Mental stimulation works wonders. Sign number 2. Excessive barking or whining. Is your dog barking at literally nothing? Or whining like they just watched a sad movie? Fix it. This is often a cry for attention. Go for more interactive playtime. Fetch, tug of war, or even a flirt pull. Yes, it's a thing, and dogs love it. Sign number 3. Following you around constantly. If you can't even go to the bathroom without a shadow, your dog may be begging for mental engagement. Fix it. Introduce short training sessions. Teaching new tricks, even simple ones, gives them a job to do and keeps their mind active. Sign number 4. Digging everything. Is your backyard starting to look like a crime scene? Dogs dig out of instinct, but excessive digging often signals boredom. Fix it. Create a dig zone with sand or soft soil and hide toys or treats. Let them dig, but give it a purpose. Sign number 5. Sleeping all day and night. Sure, dogs nap a lot, but if your pup's sleep schedule makes a sloth look hyper, it could be due to mental dullness. Fix it. Introduce variety. Rotate their toys weekly, plan a doggy playdate, or even change your walking route to mix things up. Sign number 6. Zoomies indoor. If your dog randomly sprints around the living room like they just had a shot of espresso, it's called the zoomies. And yes, boredom's a big trigger. Fix it. Burn off that energy. 2 walks a day, a backyard game of chase, or even indoor obstacle courses using furniture and treats. Sign number 7. Obsessive licking or paw chewing. When dogs are mentally unstimulated, they may develop nervous habits like licking their paws a lot. Fix it. Enrichment toys like Kongs stuffed with frozen peanut butter or broth are game changers. Also, hide treats around the house for a find it treasure hunt. So there you have it, 7 signs your dog is secretly screaming, "I'm bored," but now that you know how to keep them entertained, you'll have a happier pup, fewer destroyed shoes, and a home full of tail wags and good vibes. Remember, a bored dog is a mischievous dog, but an entertained dog is a joyful companion for life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more fun tips for your furry or feathery friends. And tell us in the comments, which of these signs has your dog been guilty of? We might just feature your pup in our next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay pawsome.